The Collide is a very unique looking watch, and the best part is the user experience is very familiar. You can use the companion app's GPS to track your outdoor workouts as well. Hi there! Here is the newly launched and very unique looking the Boltt Collide. It's not round, it's not square, it's not oval, and I can tell you that the shape and design are truly eye-catching. It comes with a huge display, Bluetooth calling feature, health monitoring, tons of sports modes, and it's priced at just $2,999. Truly unbelievable. As you can see, I'm already wearing this watch, but first I'll take you through a quick unboxing followed by a full review so you can decide if you should buy the Collide or not. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging of the Boltt Collide. You can see the image of the watch here, ultra low power mode, 1.32-inch display, built-in mic and speaker. Towards the back you can see some of its key features, main features, the QR code for the companion app, some manufacturing details and the MRP of $15,999. Let's quickly open it up. Right on the top is the user manual, the Boltt Collide watch, a warranty card, some coupons for Book My Show and Ghana, and finally the Pogo pin charging cable that magnetically aligns and attaches to the watch charging terminals. The magnetic connection too is really strong and it won't snap off. So let's have a closer look at the build and design. First thing, we'll get rid of this sticker on the top. There you go. Wow, that looks so gorgeous. It's not round, it's not oval, it's not rectangular, it's not square. It's a really nice design. Very eye-catchy. Now if you look carefully, there's also a golden line going through the frame, which looks really cool. The frame is made of metal and has this matte black finish, which doesn't attract any fingerprint or smudges. The other side also has a single button, which is going to be helpful for navigating. The straps are made of silicone material and have this nice textured design. Looks really nice. Buckle designed with the Boltt branding on it. The quality of the straps are really good. Moving towards the back is made of plastic, and right in the center is the sensors, which is covered by this plastic. Make sure you remove it so that the sensors can give you more accurate reading. There's the heart rate sensor, speedo sensor and the charging terminals here. If you look carefully, there's a speakerphone here which is going to assist you for phone calls, and of course on the other side is the microphone. Now these are 22mm bands that can be replaced with third-party bands. Simply pull the hook mechanism to release. Very convenient. The watch comes with IP68 rating, which means it's dust and water resistant. So you can wear it at the gym, for a run, in the shower, but still, it's not recommended to be worn for a swim. Alright, let's have a closer look at the watch. Now as you press this button on the side, the display will wake up, and the first look at it is that it's a really unique looking watch. Though it comes with a round dial, the bezels are not even on the other sides, which gives it a very unique look. It's an oval watch with a round display. Now this is a 1.32-inch LCD display with a resolution of 360 by 360 pixels. The color reproduction is actually pretty good, very vibrant, and blacks are pretty deep. The good thing is that when you have a watch face like this, it completely blends in with the side blacks as well, which is really good. I'll just change the watch face and show you. Now this, if you look carefully, is kind of an animated watch face, which also goes so well with this design. Especially now this comes with a gold bezel here. The gold watch face looks so good. Comes with 500 nits of peak brightness. We tested it outdoors and here you can see the display is very clearly visible. Coming to the interface, really smooth, very well optimized. As you can see, you have activity, you have heart rate, you have blood pressure, SpO2, sleep tracking, music player. Now this is a voice assistant. Just press in the center and speak. What is the weather in Mumbai?
31 with haze. Today,
so you can actually hear the announcement directly on the phone speaker. Then you have weather, and further you have games. You have bird game and number Klotsky. We have to basically align these numbers in order. It's a really fun game if you like to play games, but always remember, playing games on the watch means the battery life will be a lot shorter. Now if you swipe right, you can access the menu. Here you can see there's everything here, from status, phone calling, heart rate, sleep tracking, alarms, and the good thing is that you can actually set the alarm directly from the watch itself. You won't even need the app for it. Kind of very helpful. Stress tracking, mood, breathe rate, AI function, settings. Then in settings you have the dial, which is watch faces. In theme you can change the menu style from list, nest or spin, whatever you like. There you go. I know a lot of people really prefer this. Then you can adjust the brightness, screen on time, sound, info, off, reset, QR code for the app, password. Yes, you can even set a password for the watch, which I think is really cool for those who are concerned about privacy. Overall, the interface, as you can see, is really smooth, very well optimized, and it's really fun to use. Alright, let's check out phone calling. So to make phone calls from your watch, simply go into the menu, go to the phone calling app, you'll see keypad, call logs, contacts, and switch. We're going into keypads and we're just randomly dialing a number and clicking dial. Here you can see the phone call is being dialed. The audio you're hearing right now is from the speakers of the watch. You can see it's so loud and clear. You can also end the call directly from here. Similarly, you can also answer incoming calls on a smartwatch. First, you can hear the ringtone, you can see the caller's name, you can end the call as well as answer the call and talk directly using your smartwatch. And the best part is you can mute the microphone, you can even control the volume, and you can even end the call from here. Coming to the phone calling experience. Well, firstly, the speaker on the Collide gets loud enough so you can be used indoors as well as outdoors. The mics also do a really good job in cancelling out the external noise, as the caller never knew I was using the watch to talk to him, which is really good. Also, I'd like to quickly talk about fit and comfort. Well, you'll be surprised, even though this watch looks huge, it's actually really light. I have pretty thin wrist and still the watch looks amazing. It's comfortable and very stylish. Coming to health monitoring. Well, we first tested the heart rate, followed by the blood pressure, and finally tested SpO2. As you can see, we got the readings for all, but I always say use these health parameter readings just for your reference and not for medical purposes. Coming to fitness and workouts, the watch comes with over 70 plus workout modes. To access it, go into the menu, you'll find training, go into that, you'll find running, treadmill, walking. There is a huge collection of workouts that I can't even name, my god. Sit-ups, cycling, step training, horse riding, ice hockey, and you can see it's so smooth. There's a huge collection. Only one thing to keep in mind is that the watch doesn't support any kind of swim tracking, which is why even though it comes with IP68 rating, I still won't recommend it that you wear this watch to a swim. Coming to the battery. So it comes with a huge 300 mAh battery that should easily last you 5 to 7 days. However, if you're going to use it more frequently for answering and making phone calls, then expect a maximum of 1 to 2 days. Let's have a quick look at the Gloryfit companion app. So right here on the home page, you can see health and workout related data. You can see the total steps taken, your target, how much distance you've worked out, your heart rate recordings, your sleep tracking, blood pressure, blood oxygen records, your stress records, your emotion records. If you come to the sports tab, you can use your phone's GPS to track your outdoor workouts more accurately, which is very helpful. You can use it for outdoor run, indoor running, walking, mountain hiking, and a few more. If you come into the third device option, you can see the battery percentage, you can see the Bluetooth calling option, you can turn it on and off, sync your contacts, you can come into watch faces. Here you can see a huge collection of watch faces that you can download, analog, digital. The collection is really nice. I really like this one. Let's quickly sync this and see. And there you go, the watch face is set. Then if you come into My Dial, you'll see the watch faces you've downloaded. In Custom Dial, you can choose an image from your phone gallery and use it as a watch face. Further, you have heart rate monitoring. You can do 24-hour heart rate monitoring. Blood oxygen, you can do that as well, automatic. Emotional stress, call reminders, SMS reminders, then app reminders. You can choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. Then you have sedentary reminders, raise the wrist to wake the display. You can turn it on or off, do not disturb. Then if you come into Me, you have your training plans, set the steps, same is with goals. Then you have psychological cycle tracking. This is menstrual cycle tracking for women, very handy. Third-party access. Now this is you can share your data with Google Fit, which means in future if you change your devices, all your data will be available on the new device. Permission settings, system settings, really nice. So the Gloryfit app is really nice. You can also use the GPS, which of course will come really handy. Overall a nice and simple to use app. Alright, final thoughts. Well, the first thing I can tell you is that I'm totally in love with the design and the look of this watch. It's unique, yet the user experience and performance are very familiar. The only thing I miss here is probably an AMOLED display. Rest, it's gold mine. You can buy it today, 6th April on Amazon for just $2,999. It's unbelievable. But hang on, there's a small catch. That price is only valid for 1 hour. After that, the price will be $3,499. And frankly, for the design and the user experience this is offering, I think even that's a really good deal. I'll share the purchase links with all the color variants in the description. Go buy it right away. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.